Hi, welcome to Photoshop 99 Tutorials. Today I'm about to show you how to create new document or open file in Photoshop. First, let's create a new document. Go to File, select New. Or you can simply press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. The new document window will open. This is your Recent Items category tab. Here you can find all recent items you worked. Photoshop comes with a lot of blank document presets to start your work. Go to Photo category tab, and click View all presets to see all blank presets under Photo category. You can check the other rest of the category to find which one works for you. For now, I'm going to choose Landscape 2x3 document under Photo category. On the right side, under Preset Details, you can customize all settings on your document, such as width, height and measurement units. I'm choosing inches for now. You can change the orientation of your new document. Resolution means the number of pixels per unit of document that we're going to create. Change resolution if you want. And choose the color mode you want. If you want to work with only black and white, choose grayscale. For digital media works, we should use only the RGB color mode. But if you need to work for printing purpose, choose CMYK color mode. I'm choosing RGB color mode for now. Choose the background color of your new document. And once you are happy with your setting, click Create. Now we have a brand new document to start our work. Let's open an existing file into Photoshop. Go to File. Select Open. And the Open window you can browse the file you want to open. Select the file, and click Open. Your file ready to start work. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.